Imagine waking up one day and bam! Your nerves feel like they're on fire, burning, tingling, maybe even numb. But what if I told you there's a secret weapon in your kitchen that can help repair those frayed nerves? Yes, I'm talking about vitamins, 7 powerful, nerve-healing vitamins that can kickstart your recovery and get you back on track. Stick around because this information might just change your life. Nerve damage can be a nightmare, whether it's from an injury, a chronic condition like diabetes, or even something as simple as a vitamin deficiency. But don't worry, because today, we're diving into the 7 most powerful vitamins that can help repair and regenerate your nerves. Vitamin B12 is the first superhero of nerve health. Vitamin B12 is absolutely essential for nerve repair. B12 helps to produce myelin, the protective sheath around your nerves that allows them to communicate effectively. Without enough B12, nerves can become damaged, leading to symptoms like numbness and tingling. By ensuring you get enough B12, whether through diet, like eggs, fish, and fortified cereals, or through supplements, you can support nerve regeneration and keep those pathways strong and healthy. The sunshine vitamin, vitamin D, is next on the list. Did you know that a deficiency in vitamin D has been linked to an increased risk of nerve damage? Vitamin D plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of your nervous system by supporting the growth and repair of nerve fibers. Plus, it helps reduce inflammation, which is often a culprit in nerve damage. So get outside, soak up some rays, and consider a supplement if you're not getting enough of this vital nutrient. Coming in hot is vitamin B6. This vitamin is a key player in nerve function because it helps produce neurotransmitters, the chemicals that allow nerves to communicate with each other. B6 also helps prevent nerve damage caused by high blood sugar levels, making it especially important for people with diabetes. But beware, too much of a good thing can be harmful. High doses of B6 can actually cause nerve damage, so stick to the recommended amounts. Vitamin E is up next, known for its antioxidant properties that protect your nerves from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can damage your nerves over time, leading to conditions like neuropathy. Vitamin E helps to neutralize these harmful free radicals and supports nerve regeneration. Foods like nuts, seeds, and spinach are rich in vitamin E, so make sure you're including these in your diet to keep your nerves in top shape. Let's talk about vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. This vitamin is crucial for converting food into energy, but did you know it also plays a significant role in nerve health? Thiamine helps maintain the coating on your nerves, known as the myelin sheath, which is essential for proper nerve function. A deficiency in thiamine can lead to nerve damage, especially in people with diabetes. So, load up on whole grains, legumes, and pork to keep your thiamine levels up. Vitamin C isn't just for fighting off colds, it's also a powerhouse for your nerves. This vitamin helps in the synthesis of collagen, a protein that's vital for the structure and repair of nerves. Vitamin C also has strong antioxidant properties that protect your nerves from damage caused by free radicals. Incorporate more citrus fruits, bell peppers, and broccoli into your diet to ensure your nerves are getting the vitamin C they need to stay healthy and strong. Last but definitely not least, we have Alpha-Lipoic Acid, ALA. While not technically a vitamin, ALA is a potent antioxidant that can regenerate other antioxidants, like vitamin C and vitamin E, making it a nerve health superstar. ALA has been shown to improve nerve function and reduce symptoms of nerve damage, such as pain, burning, and numbness. It's particularly beneficial for those with diabetic neuropathy. You can find ALA in foods like spinach, broccoli, and red meat, or as a supplement. Now, before you rush to the supplement aisle, remember, this video is for informational purposes only. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new vitamin regimen, especially if you're dealing with nerve damage. Alright, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you never miss out on more life-changing health tips. Drop a comment below if you've tried any of these vitamins. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay healthy and keep those nerves firing on all cylinders.